Okay, this is a 1977 Ford Bronco. We end up installing the Avital 3100. Disarm the alarm, you're gonna hit unlock. Turns off the alarm, gives you multiple chirps. Arm it, it's one chirp on. This car obviously doesn't have any power locks or anything, so it's gonna rely only on the shock sensor, and if anybody opens any of the doors. I'm gonna turn off the alarm by hitting unlock. I don't want to make a bunch of noise, but we hooked it up to his air horns too. When the alarm fires off, the kills the starter, so you can't start the vehicle. We give him the LED light right here in the bottom of the steering column. Panic button. If you hold the button down, so it's arm, disarm, panic. He doesn't have electric trunk, obviously. So it's just pretty cut and dry. You know, arm the alarm, it flashes your parking light. Disarm it, flashes your parking lights twice. When you arm it, one chirp is on, two chirps is off, and four means it's off, but it was trigger. The minute you turn the key in ignition, it will reset the alarm back to two chirps. So one chirp is on, two is off. If you ever get four chirps, that means the alarm was set off while you've been away from the vehicle. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialist in this 1977 Ford Bronco.